This is 7F2, interactive truth table set 2, and this is number 4. I'm trying to determine whether this set of three statements, three compound statements, is consistent or inconsistent. So we're just going to run the truth tables like always. We're going to identify the main operators of each one of these, and then we're going to see, is there at least one line where all the values are where all the statements come out true. So first, let me identify the main operators. Remember, with this one, it's the horseshoe because the main operator can never be inside parentheses. This is the only logical connective outside the parentheses. With this one, it's the wedge because it ranges over this disjunct is not X and the other one is Z, it ranges over the whole thing. And here it's the horseshoe. So let me start with running the truth values here. I'm going to start all the way inside the parentheses with the dot, the conjunction. Both conjuncts have to be true, right? So we got true, true, false, 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 false. And then we've got the horseshoe, right? So for the horseshoe to be true, well, I know it's true. So we got if true, then true, that makes it true. If true, then true, that makes it true. And then all the rest are going to be true because the antecedents are false. And whenever the antecedent of a horseshoe of a conditional statement is false, that means the horseshoe is true. So this is actually a tautology, this first statement, because it's true under all circumstances. So let's move over here. We'll start with the negation. We're going to flip the truth value of the X. False, false, true, true, false, false, true, true. And then the disjunction is true if at least one of the disjuncts is true. So we're looking at the truth values of the negation of the whole not X and of the Z. So we've got Z is true, so that's true. This one's false. True, 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 false, true, true. And then finally over here, let's start with negation. False, 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 true, 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 true. And then the horseshoe. We're looking at the Z column and the negation column, so that's false, true, false, true, true, false, true, true, and true. Okay, so is there any lines where all three of the main operators are true? Not line 1, because we got a false here. Not line 2. Not line 3, we got a false here. Line 4, bingo. All three of them are true, so it's consistent. Actually, also line 5, they're all true. And also line 7 and line 8. We only need one, but we've got more than that. So we know it's consistent.